Well, hello. Happy Friday, everybody. Welcome to another break here from Bounty Hunter Breaks. Today I've got a retail box that I picked up from Upper Deck directly of Allure hockey. Now, unlike the hobby version, this doesn't have any guaranteed hits a box or anything like that. But inside this, there are 6 cards a pack, 20 packs a box, and then it talks about the special insert sets, and then of course, if you can read all that fine print, it kind of has a rundown of everything that's in there, but it does talk about that you get the red rainbow rookie jersey cards available. So, if anything, that's probably the box hit is a jersey card, no autos, guaranteed. But I thought it was not a bad price for it on Upper Deck site, so I said, "What the heck? I'll take a take the plunge and pick it up." I think it was like $110 or something like that for the box, and that was with shipping, and the shipping was actually 2-day priority. So let's see what kind of fun we get. Let's see how easy they are to open too. I guess it opens easier under the bottom. So start off with a Drew Doughty, John Gibson, Colton Barrico, and Nicholas Hague top 50 for the Golden Knights, Max Jones, and Erasmus Sandin rookie. So you get 2 rookies. I don't know if that's per pack, or I guess we'll find out in the next one here. So you got a Kirby Doc, got a Cale Fleury rookie, got a Dante Fabro white rainbow die cut rookie. So that's cool. You got another top 50 of Kevin Steinland for the Blue Jackets, Zach McEwen, and a Sebastian Aho. So it looks like 2 rookies a pack. Philip Zadina, rookie. Trent Frederick, Marc-Andre Fleury, Noah Dobson, red rainbow die cut, rookie. So that's cool. Thomas Hurdle, and a Blake Lizotte. Next pack. Matthew Tkachuk, Mikko Rantanen, Tyler Seguin, nice Cale Makar top 50, Erik Karlsson, and Sergei Bobrovsky for the Panthers. Matt Dumba, Joe Pavelski, nice Quinn Hughes, white rainbow die cut, Dante Fabro, Cody Glass, and a Carey Price. So we got a Cale Makar, rookie this pack, Matthew Barzal, Mark Scheifele, Adam Fox, top 50, a Joel Esperance, rookie, and a Sidney Crosby. And that one looks like it's way off to the left. Definitely way off to the left on that one. Connor Hellebuck for the Jets, Brad Marchand, Mitch Marner. Got a nice short print pink rainbow of Zach Ascension for the Bruins, rookie. And of course, they don't even have it identified. For whatever reason, they decided not to identify those, but they are short prints. A Brady Tkachuk and a Leon Draisaitl. Next pack. So yeah, it'll be interesting to see for the hockey coming back how this playoff format that they're choosing to do, how that's going to work out. Artemi Panarin for the Rangers, Oliver Ekman-Larsson, Texier rookie, nice Carson Kuhlman, top 50, Joel Farabee, and a Carl Grunstrom rookie. So that one actually had 3 rookies in it. Next pack. PK Subban, Johnny Gaudreau, Nico Hischier. Nice Cale Makar white rainbow die cut. Nathan McKinnon, and a Rudolph Balcers rookie for the Senators. Barrett Hayton rookie for the Coyotes. Anthony Mantha, Red Wings. Matt Duchene for the Nashville Predators. Libor Hajek for the Rangers. Quinn Hughes rookie, not short print, just a regular. And John Carlson Capitals. Got Tampa Bay here. Jack Eichel, Eric Brandstrom rookie, Nathan Bastian rookie. There's a short print. Kirby Doc, short print rookie. And the way you can tell it's a short print, the regular rookies have the lines and the short prints do not. So we'll go ahead and sleeve that one up. Brock Besser, and Andre Valinsky for the Lightning. Next pack. Matt Murray, Max Verano for the Senators, Rem Pitlick. Nice Jack Hughes die cut red rainbow rookie. And again, they're not numbered, so but cool, still the same. So we've got both Hughes so far. Zach Senyshyn, and Mark Giordano for the Calgary Flames. Getting down there. Braden Point, Henrik Lundqvist, Alex Ovechkin, a Nathan Bastian top 50, Max Domi, Anders Lee. That pack tore kind of weird. So maybe there's something good in it, but it looks just like a top. Well, we got a white ring. Oh, we got the iced out Jacob Vrana for the Capitals. Cale Makar, another Cale Makar. Max Domi, white rainbow die cut for the Canadiens. Ooh, that one's different than what is in, because I thought the iced outs in Hobby were the die cut. Nico Sturm rookie and a Victor Olofsson for the Sabres rookie. So that's kind of interesting because it's like the image appears to be zoomed in compared to the other ones. I wish I had the other ones. One of them just laying around here. I'd kind of show as an example. Matthew Barzal, Mark Scheifele, Connor Hellebuck for the Jets, Vitaly Abramov for the Senators, Phil Kessel, and Jake Gensel. Sorry, just want to straighten up the pile. I'm going to say it felt thicker, but maybe not. We're down to the last 5 packs. Brad Marchand, Mitch Marner, Artemi Panarin, Cody Glass, White Rainbow rookie, Nikita Gusev, and Alexander Barkov for the Panthers. Austin Matthews, Capo Caca rookie, Claude Giroux, Jimmy Schultz, top 50, Tara Hirose, and Jordan Binnington. Down to the last three. Connor McDavid, Guillaume Brisebois, rookie for the Canucks, Alex DeBrincat, Jimmy Schultz, rookie, Alex Tuck for the Golden Knights, and Steven Stamkos for the Lightning. Next to the last pack, Teravainen for the Hurricanes, Dante Fabro, Nico Hischier, die cut white rainbow, Carl Grundstrom, top 50, Oliver Wahlstrom, and Ryan O'Reilly for the Blues. And here it is, last pack. John Tavares, Patrick Kane, Vitaly Abramov, the Winter Storm warning, Brady Tkachuk for the, oh shoot, I knew something was wrong here. My bad, I am totally spaced on that. Brady Tkachuk, Ryan Poehling, and Noah Dobson. So, I'm going to quickly take a second here and sleeve up a couple of these cards real quick, and then we'll do a quick hit recap, such as it is. I guess I just, instead of calling it a hit, just call it die cut insert recap notable rookies. But all in all, I mean, if you're going for the top 50, it looks like a good way to get the top 50 because you get one like every 3 packs or something on average. So for 18 packs, you get yourself a third of the way there. I guess only one real actual short print card out of the whole not break box. But I guess it was breaking a box, so I guess not entirely inaccurate. Okay. So I did have this, basically 2 short prints. You had the Kirby Doc, high number short print, Allure rookie for the Blackhawks, the pink rainbow short print of Zach Senyshyn for the Bruins. Got a Capo Cacao, a Cale Makar, and a Quinn Hughes rookie. The regular rookies have a Nico Hischier, Cody Glass, Max Domi, Cale Makar, Dante Fabro, Quinn Hughes. So 2 vets on the die cut white rainbows, and then 4 rookie and 2 top rookies. I guess you could even throw Cody Glass as one of the top. And then for the red rainbow die cuts, you got the Noah Dobson and the Jack Hughes. To me, not bad. Not bad at all there. And then as far as the other 2 inserts was the Ice Out Mark Scheifele, which isn't a die cut in this version, and then the Winter Storm Warning Brady Tkachuk. And I think that's just like the regular ones in retail or hobby as well. And for top 50, just quickly, you got Carl Grunstrom, Jimmy Schultz, Vitaly Abramov, Nathan Bastian, Libor Hajek, Carson Kuhlman, Adam Fox, Cale Makar, Kevin Stenlund, and Nicholas Haig. So out of 50, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you get 10 of them. And then these are all the rookies out of the box. And then, of course, you got all the base. So that's all she wrote on that break. Thanks for watching. Have a great rest of your Friday and keep collecting.